In this video, I will show you how to get Publix promo code for existing users. So first of all, open a Publix app or go to any web browser. In the search bar, search for Publix, then click on the URL. Now right beside the Publix icon, you can see menu, click on it. From here, make sure you log into your account. Then this will be your home screen again. Click on that menu again. Here you can see savings, click on it. From here you can choose different type of savings like extra savings, buy one get one freeze. So simply click on digital coupons. After that you will be able to find multiple coupons there. You can clip it and then use it in your purchase. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.